Hi guys, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another TEMU haul, and I am super excited to show you some of the new products that I picked up. Just so if you are interested, download the TEMU app to get a $100 bundle using my code DKN4232, and I'll leave that down below as well. And I actually just had something happen with me. If you ever have a TEMU haul that gets delayed, you get a $5 credit, and I actually got a $5 credit and it was only 1 day late, so it posts automatically into your account, and I thought that was really kind of nice. I've never had that happen before, so I think it's a great alternative to buy and search for new different things. So I hope you get inspired by this haul, and let me show you some of the new items that I picked up. So I went down like a Christmas die train, and this is a little gingy, and I believe is a shaker. You can kind of see the rim here, so I'm excited to create with this. This one, I believe, is a little Christmas mug, and this is actually a lot smaller than I expected it to be, but it's really cute and tiny, and I think that's a little Santa's face with the whipped cream. That'll be really fun to create with, and a little small embellishments. Sometimes you don't want to create such large embellishments. What is this? Oh, and this is the little mixing stand. That one's really cute. You got a little like a KitchenAid mixer with the gingy and all the little accessories. This one, oh, this is the little jar, and I'm just gonna open it and take it out of the plastic. I think it's a little jar, and you get all of these little bits that you can decorate with, and I believe it's a shaker. You can use that as a rim. And then this is another jar. I guess a little jar crazy. This one also has little Halloween accents and the candy canes, which I like. This one here is also another jar with the it's a cookie jar. So you got little accents for the little peppermints, you got a little candy cane, a little layered tree, the gingy with his little bow and his little squiggles. I love the size of this too. It's like a little over my thumb, maybe. Is it an inch? Yeah, he's an inch and a quarter. So little gingy is so cute. Love him. And then I purchased this little house. I just love the different textures and layers in this. So you got some windows, you got like a brick. This one is really cute. It's a little shop. So just to create some cute little embellishments. I love this. Next up, I picked up this pink. So I purchased a Valentine's Day one. I picked up a pink vintage Christmas set. So you see that here. It's just really all pinks, but I really love the faces of the Santa. You got a lady, little Santa, a little house, pink house. Again, various different Santas, and I thought it was really cute, vintage, and absolutely adorable. So cute. Carolers. Okay, so you get a huge array of different vintage stickers, and I kind of love them. They're very nostalgic and pink, so they repeat. So you get a huge bundle of these. I'm not sure how many there are. Oh, 64 pieces in a pack. So you get a lot of stickers. And then, let me see what else. I was enabled by Disco Dolly. She had shown these clips, and I realized I need these clips as well, because when you do a swap, like a binder swap, I just don't have as many colors as I wanted. These are a little small, but I think that can make them work. So I got them in the mint, the lilac purple, and the light pink. So that is adorable. And then I picked up some velvet ribbon because it's Christmas. And I've actually had such good luck with ribbon and trim from TEMU. So I'm really happy with my purchases so far. Let me take these out. These are these really pretty, rip this up. This really pretty red. I actually think it's the perfect red. And this I got in green. Because if Christmas doesn't screen red and green, I don't know what doesn't. I think these are going to be really pretty for upcoming projects. And then I picked up this bag of styrofoam hearts to add for packaging. I thought they were really cute and perfect for upcoming Valentine's Day. Speaking of which, I did pick up this book binding kind of metal piece. It's when you make a cover for a book, mini albums or any kind of album, this is so great. And I have something like this, but it's made out of chipboard versus metal, and I wanted a metal piece. You can do your little corners, so if you want to put your paper in here, and you can just kind of do the lines, you can cut the corner. This is for the spaces in between your pieces, so you know where to do the folds. This is for the corner, so you can kind of mark the corners of your paper. There's a purpose for all of these little nooks and crannies, which I'm really appreciative, and I really love how heavy this is. Like, you can hear that. So I love this, and I'm so excited to have it in my stash. I also bought this like pack of L rulers, and these are made out of acrylic and really kind of cool. So I've had my go around making a couple of mini albums, and these do have markings on them, so you can see that. Oh, this is a 1/2 inch. This is 5/8. So you can kind of use these as a guide for your book making. And I'm a sucker for tools. I'm not sure what this says. Oh, 3/16. So they come in different sizes, I guess, depending on your projects, but they are made out of this acrylic. They do come with a protective covering that you can peel, and they come in a variety of sizes, so you can use this for your bookbinding. They're corner tools, and it's a 7-piece set, which I can totally appreciate. These are little hearts. Let me see. So, oh, they came with little stickers. So I got these little bubblegum flatback hearts. I'm preparing for Valentine's Day, you guys. It's around the corner, and I just want to have my stash. You got to start the season ahead, so you have, you're prepared. So you get a whole bunch. How many comes in a pack? This is a 50 pack of all of these different pastel colors. Love them. And it comes with the little stickers that you can, I'm assuming they're double-sided, to stick them on your project. So I love that. And then I saw Armin. She's been creating all of these Christmas pens, so I thought I'd pick up a pack and give them a try. So this comes with red, white, gold, and green. And you get 3 of each colors, and there's 12 pieces in total. And it comes with the little bling spacers, which I love. And then what I loved about this is that you get these beads, all of these beads, and they are like plasticky, but you also get the fun little pen charms. You got like Santa, you got the Snowman, got a cute little wreath, got a Christmas tree, And you get a little gingerbread. Oh my god, I could use like a million of these. They're so cute. So I'm really excited to create, I think I'm going to do them for the teachers of my son's school, because I thought it'd make a cute little stuffer for the gift bags. And I just love the colors of these pens, and hopefully the pens work really nice. So I'm excited to create some Christmas pens. Next up, I got these pink ornaments, you guys. So if you are a lover of pink Christmas, totally look up in the search bar pink Christmas, and that's what I did to come up with some of these items. So these are made out of a rubber silicone, and it does come off a little bit more hot pink than I would like, but nonetheless they're really cute. I can add them to little packages. This one is really cute. I love this candy cane. So cute. You get the little pink gloves, and I think I'm just gonna attach these onto presents. The little nutcracker, adorable. Oh, you get a couple of these. 4, and they're pink. Ah, the little snowflake sugar cookies, and you get 4 of these as well. So you get a really nice variety of these pink ornaments, and it does come with the gold string in the pack, so it makes it nice to just give a little extra oomph to your packages, and your person can use it as an ornament on their tree. I think it's a kind of a 2-for-1 deal. Okay, and the next up is all baggies. Like I said, I'm stocking up for Valentine's Day, and I picked up, this is a bag of 50, I believe. Yep, 50 reds, and it is this clear bag. Yep, so the top is clear and the back is red, and it's a little Ziplock bag. I thought I can put little embellishments on these. And you know what? You can never have enough bags. Never have enough bags. And these are the pink ones, which they're so cute. Yep, and the top again is clear, which I love because you can see the embellishment. And then you can see the embellishment from the top. So let's say if I had my embellishment, it's crystal clear, but the back is covered. So I love this little baggie, and just for size measurements, top to bottom, it's a little shy of 5 inches. Yeah, 5 by 5 3/4, so wide. But I thought this was really a cute little baggie that you can store some fun embellishments in the future. This one is a gigantic one. And I like to have different sizes on hand, just because you never know. Yeah, and I love the little hollow backs on this. I just want to open this. And again, this is clear, the back is hollow, and then this is pink. So this is a bag of 100. So I am all set. And then, oh, I bought another pack of Christmas pens. I think I was really stuck on these Christmas pens. This one is, how many pens is this? 8 pieces. So, I'm not sure what colors they come with. Let me pull this out. You get red, white, green, and black. But in here, you've got little snowman beads, which is so cute. And I think it does come with the hat. Yep. So here's like the hat. This with this is the hat. So you get to make your own little snowmans, and it does come with gingham ribbons that you can add as little accents, I guess, for the scarf if you wanted to, which would be adorable. Comes in the red, the black, and the green little ribbon. So again, I'm so excited to make pens. After Armin showed her video, I was kind of inspired, so I'm so glad I got to pick that up. And then last but not least, look at these adorable little backpack zippies. I'm trying to see where I can open this. I believe this is a sealed bag, so I'm just gonna have to Hulk it. You guys, look how cute this is. Okay, so the top has a really nice opening, and I believe, oh no, oh here we go. The front pocket of the backpack is clear. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's a cartoon little backpack, and this is a bag, 50 pieces in this bag. So that is it. I'll leave links to all of the products in this Temu haul today. Thank you for watching, and I would go check out some of these items, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.